Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. So, it's Sunday night. Oh, it was Sunday night. And I'm still at my dad's. Now, I usually come home on Sunday nights, because I've got work tomorrow. But I decided to stay another night because my mum is down my dad's end tomorrow morning, so she said she'll pick me up. But I have to be up by, she's going to pick me up at 8 o'clock in the morning, which means I have to be up at 6 o'clock. And it's midnight now, so 4.5 hours. Yeah, that's not going to work out. So I'm packing my bag right now because I'm going home as I am. But when I get home tomorrow, I'm going to have to be quick, and getting dressed, getting my hair done, because my hair is so curly because I washed it today and I don't have my straighteners. Boo-hoo. So when it's like this, so I might just have to do a bit like I did with Thursday, because I was in work Thursday and I couldn't be bothered on Wednesday night because I had I went to rest. So yeah, my hair's really crap.
Here's my bed. So this is one of the tops I've been wearing, which if you saw last video, or one of my last videos, I tried this on. It was one of my outfits from last year, from Greece. So I'm going to take it. Outfits, which I don't need a lot to pack. I just need to pack this, and then these on here, and then my iPad, my phone, and my charger, and my earphones could go in last. So yeah, so I've already brought one bag with me, which is good. Usually I bring 2 bags, one for my clothes and one for everything else. My bag is packed. Look at that. I'm so impressed with what I've done. And the best thing about it, I've not used this bag in so long, but it has this little hatch. And if you open it, you can basically latches on like that, as you can see. But yeah, I had 2 bag options for Greece, and this is one of them. I forgot about this bag. I've not used it in so long. It has actually a zip. So one of them, I might use this for Greece, or I might use the other one for Greece. I've got ages yet, ladies and gentlemen, to sort that out. Worst storage on my phone. But yeah, so I'm just going to put this on my door, my bedroom door, just so that when I wake up tomorrow and I go downstairs, I remember to take this down. Like I said earlier, my phone and iPad will go in last and charger, because obviously I'm going to be charging my phone, which is currently on charge, and then my iPad will go on charge. Go 30 minutes away home, 40 minutes away actually, 50 minutes away back home. So it's not really too exciting. So I'm going to have to get to bed now because I have to be up extremely early. Then I have to be, which I don't want to get up at the time I've got to get up, because usually for work I get up at 9:30, because I don't need to be there until 12 o'clock, so there's an issue. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I'm actually in the car. Okay, that was weird. Hey guys, I'm in the car, in my mum's car, and I am going home now. So it's about, what time is it? 8:15 right now, it says on my iPad. I can't really go on, I can't check if it's right on Google because I've got no internet, but it's just gone 8 o'clock. Hopefully I'll be home by 9, and that's the time I usually wake up, and that's the time I'll be chilling. I'm going to feed the rabbit as soon as I get home and make sure he's alright. I'm still in my pyjamas, by the way. I mentioned last night I'm not gonna put anything good on, so I can't obviously go in the mum's gone into the bakery, so obviously I can't go because I'm in my pyjamas. If I was 7 years old, then obviously I can get away with it, but not at 21 years old, so yes. So I'm back home. Sooty, guess who's home? Guess. I've not even let Fernandez in yet, so I'm just gonna do that and say hello to Elvis. So back home, and I forgot what coat on. I'll take that off. Back home. And Bruno's reaction is always so cute when he sees me. Yeah? What about you, little mouse? You glad to see me? Are you glad? Sooty's like, Mum, what are you doing? I'm happy to see Mama. Bruno! Hi, baby! Hi! Bruno, high five! High five! No. These two honestly love each other. High five! High five! Oh, Jesus. Hi, baby. Bruno! Quick! Simba! Simba Timba! Hi! You're by yourself. You kept my bed warm. Yeah. Here we have two cats. I love my cats. Mwah, mwah. Meow. Yeah, I'm gonna feed him and him, I guess. Bruno's got his toy. Yeah, Simba and Sooty. Where's Mummy? Mummy's home. Yeah. Raining outside. So guys, I'm gonna go and get ready for work because work is in like 3 hours. I need to get ready and plus I need to sort this hair out because my hair is just such a mess. So I'm just gonna have to see what I can do because I don't think it'll be straight. It'll just have to be curly today, I think. I'm not too sure. I'll have to try and figure it out. Him. Him. I'm not going to show you because it'll be boring. But yeah. I've got home, got dressed, got changed under the umbrella. So it's about 11 o'clock, walking to work right now. Walking down the lane. And it is pouring it down. Like, I've just listened to music and it's just pouring it down. Just look. You can't really see it, but it was literally dripping off my umbrella. And I'm just walking, as you can see. And it is so wet. Somebody's walking up with their dog. But yeah, it's just so wet and cold and rainy. And I have to be out to work, which I'm not looking forward to. And it's dripping off there. So there's the puddle. Let's just go a bit closer. Look how wet it is, you guys. Look at the drops going into the... Look at that. Like, it's literally dead. Well, to be honest, the school's not in. There's a school up there. But yeah, so it's so quiet and really scary me now. I've got like 2 layers on. Well, 3 layers if you can count my coat. My coat won't even zip because of this big ginormous hoodie, so yeah. But yeah, it is properly pissing it down right now. Like, it's the end of May. I've got a long way to go to work, yes, I better get going. And I'll probably see you guys later.